Hi, everyone. My name is Tanya Hertz. I'm the founder and director of the Rec Innovation Lab, which is a business incubator at San Diego Miramar College. The Rec gives people from all backgrounds and all industries the tools, the support that they need to launch high growth, scalable startups, and it's all for the cost of tuition at a community college. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to the folks at Harness. In more than 13 years that I've spent teaching entrepreneurship at San Diego State University and at San Diego Miramar College, I have found no better tool than Harness for helping our students to network and for managing our mentorship program. Harness has been with us literally since we started the incubator back in 2019. And since that time, they've taken us from a small startup incubator with less than 20 founders to now managing a platform with over 300 students and mentors, all scheduling scores of virtual and in-person meetings virtually every day. And the best part about Harness is that we don't have to track the interactions between our mentors and students because the platform does that for us. Harness generates a list of weekly meetings between our startup founders and the mentors, providing me with metrics that I can use to show that our program is effective. And I can do this easily and quickly. Harness provides our users the benefits of Slack without the barrage of notifications and the rabbit holes of unnecessary threads that people get lost in. It also functions a lot like LinkedIn in that entrepreneurs can connect with like-minded innovators in chats and by posting company milestones or just even by scheduling their appointments through the system with their mentors. Some of the things that our users can do through Harness, they can search, they can find people, jobs, resources, and more exclusively available to our incubator, the Rec Innovation Lab. They can connect directly with mentors and with other startup founders to form really meaningful connections and to, what I love the most, schedule their meetings directly through the platform. And they can amplify and get the word out that they're on the scene. They can use our platform to share their company's message on a platform that's targeted to what and who they need to know to succeed in our local startup ecosystem. So Harness engages our community in ways that we couldn't do so before. It captures necessary data that's integral for us for internal reporting. It's also so useful for helping us to apply for new grants and get new funding, and also report on the funding that we have. It really helps our organization to thrive. So thank you to Bryce. Thank you to everyone at Harness who've helped to make what we do possible at the Rec Innovation Lab. Because of you, we're having a positive and lasting effect on entrepreneurs' lives, on the innovation ecosystem, on the local jobs market, and really on the economy in general. So thank you to Harness for helping the Rec Innovation Lab to help our students to excel. Thanks.